Meron akong muta. Char. Good morning, guys. Thank you for coming sa live ko. Yata yung diri. Hello, 91 in the house. Hello, 89 in the house. Good morning, guys. Thank you for coming. How are you this morning? I don't know if it's morning there in your place. Because here it's morning. It's 3:29 in Wednesday, August 14. Oh my gosh, the time flies so fast. Babe, you're still beautiful even without makeup. But girls need makeup. Why boys? I don't understand why boys telling that they love the girls that's so simple and not wearing makeup. But when they see the girl having a good look and wearing makeup, they keep on staring at them and hey, you know not really using makeup that too much. Just we girls we have to enhance ourselves. Makeup is make us confident and yeah, that's normal. That's normal to girls wearing makeup. Nothing wrong with that. And hello, I don't have makeup now. I just put a little bit of lipstick on my lips. As you can see, I remove my mascara. It's because making my eyes like dairy eyes. Oh, that's my face. What's my skin on the camera? Is that my skin in person? Okay,